Well, hello there. How are you doing? For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. I'm getting ready to switch out my kitchen table decor.
Everybody has done their springtime, this, that, and the third on YouTube, and Cookie's just still moseying along.
Listen, I bought a house, the pizzeria hit, things got backed up. I have house project priorities. Anywho, the best thing is that I'm not spending any kind of money. Let me share with you the things that I gathered around the house and the garage. Well, the garage part, my husband actually did that part. I purchased a home almost 2 years ago, and I'm still working on projects and things, and you know, you have priorities, and even though I still love to decorate and things like that, and I still do, it's just not in the budget right now. But with the things that I've gathered around the house, I encourage you to do the same thing. Shop your home, see what you have, and then, you know, add to that. Go to the thrift stores if you need to. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's how I do it. I have a mix of everything. You'll see. And this is what I have. These placemats, I think I got 4 of these for $19.99. I got these at Marshall's. I had these chargers, these plates, and you'll see what I'll do with that. And these bowls. I have these beautiful crystal candle sticks and that wicker tray back there. I have a few little bits and bobs that I'm going to put on this tray. You're gonna see how I am going to basically stage that tray for aesthetics and for function. Sugar Cookies, I have a tip for you concerning your linens and things and how to take care of them without having to pull out the ironing board. If you can get 2 stools, I draped this table linen over these 2 stools, and instead of pulling out the ironing board and iron,
I got this, yes.
my steamer. Check this out. Stand by for mechanical difficulties. It's an extra step, but please press your linens. Faithful, please. It just looks so much more put together. Has a more professional, especially if you're staging it, it has a more professional look to it. And of course the linen is going to wrinkle, but you can tell when linen hasn't been taken out straight from the wash. This is what my kitchen table looks like. I know, nothing grand or anything like that, but it needs a, you know, it looks a little sad, a little boring. This is functional. We sit here to have dinner and things, but let's see what I do. This is not working right. Oh, this is not. Oh, this is spurting, really? Oh, okay, now I really have to rub that in. Eesh. I need a vessel. I need a vessel. Ho, 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 ho. Oh yeah. Everything in here is up for grabs. This is what I'm talking about, not only aesthetics, but functionality. When I lived in Europe, I saw this a lot. It was very practical on the middle of the table. The fresh flowers, I love fresh flowers, and just for safety purposes, I have battery operated candlesticks. However, I love the glow, of a real candle, but just to be safe, I'd rather do that. And then I have some faux lemons here, these little bowls, and I have honey here. This little votive, I got this at IKEA. What I like to do with this is I keep this to put any kind of spice blend on the table, because we like to do a little dip in these little bowls with oil and things, and that's why I'm saying this is very functional, and it's beautifully staged and arranged. This is a toothpick holder. I've had this since I lived in Japan. Love that. Isn't that practical and cute? It's all about practicality, how to stage it. Absolutely beautiful. It's just me and my husband right now, so I only have 2 of these bowls. But I'm gonna go back to get like about 4 or 6 more. Need extra. A girl needs extras. But that's what it would look like around the whole table. All of this was no cost. What do you think? Not bad, huh? You can do the same thing. I encourage you, sugar cookies, to really look around your house. Don't be discouraged. It doesn't have to be, Pinterest worthy. It just has to be your house worthy. If you found some value in this video and maybe a chuckle or two, inspiration, I'd love for you to subscribe to my lifestyle sauce. Comment below and let me know what you think. Share the video. Why? Because sharing gets me out there and the algorithm says,
hey, look, she's there.
Anywho, I appreciate your time. Be blessed, not too stressed. And I will see you in the next toodaloo. You still there? Bleh. What's going on? Every time I want to press the button to record, now I see my neighbor opening up his garage. That means he's gonna pull out his lawnmower. Neighbors. God bless. Is this even plugged in? And don't mind the rice cooker in the back, because I'm also making dinner while I'm doing this. Hello? Double tasking.
I can do it.
Not a good product, not a good product. Onwards with the show.
Hello?
Agent 777 here, mission accomplished.